Gilla.
She said, take your time, what's the rush?
Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Peculiar, and if this is the first time you are seeing me, hello there, you're highly welcome. On this channel we talk about beauty, we talk about our faith, and we talk about everything leveling up as a lady in your 20s, being the best version of yourself, and then we just do like a little bit of lifestyle content here and there. Okay, so if this sounds like what you're interested in, I think you really want to stick around. Okay, so in today's video I'm just going to be giving you guys a simple tutorial on how I do my sleek bun. Now if you have a type 4 hair like mine, you want to consider this video. Okay, now if you have like a well relaxed hair, I think it's going to be pretty much easier for you and even a more sleeker look. But for my type 4 girlies, my girl, like you have to watch this through. You have to properly do a good sleek bun. Okay, so for this hair I'm going to be using my old Brazilian wool, and this was just basically to just show up something on my hair and make it look beautiful. Okay, just pleasant in the eyes. Now I divided my hair from my ear to my ear angles, like into that section, and then I basically reparted it into two, and then I went to applying my edge control into smaller sections. Now for this look we're making use of just edge control. Yes, now edge control gave me the look you saw earlier. Okay, now you can see how it's already turning out beautifully well, right? Now I want to also state out that if you have other products you want to apply to this, that's totally amazing, that's fine. Okay, but if you have just your edge control, I'm trying to show you that you can achieve this, you can achieve exactly what you're saying. Okay, now take note, I was not adding enough, like I wasn't really like packing it. This is just basically to avoid the white flakes and all of that. I wasn't like adding too much, but just something really sufficient enough for me to work my way through. And you want to brush this properly, because brushing, girl, is your best friend. You want to brush this properly and slick it down. Now you can go ahead to do yours in tinier sections. I think I did mine in like 4 to 5 sections, the back, and then 2 sides at one angle in the front, like just 4 sides at the front and then 1 at the back, and that is it. Now for this hair I manipulated, like I did a whole lot of manipulation, crazy manipulations, because what was I doing at the back here? Anyways, the actual reason why I brushed this Brazilian wool, this old Brazilian wool, was basically just to give it some tip so that I could easily wrap the hair around itself. And I think I just preferred it like this. Okay, yeah, so if you can do more, you can probably do your twist, just do your thing. Okay, now this hair looks amazing even without any products, anything here and there. You can see it already. Now adding your styling moves would give it more like an extra edge, and adding your hairspray and all of that will give it like an extra edge. So I just went ahead to just tie this down, to secure everything together. If you're not even using a styling mousse, you can also just tie it down for a while to secure everything together. Take note, I did not even use a gel for this hair, you guys, and this is giving me this, and I basically carried this hair for over a week, I kid you not. And yes, I was impressed. I was happy that this turned out like this. Now you can even go ahead to add some designs to yours. It could be a center part and a side part, depending on how you want to do it. Just properly sleek it down in sections. Okay, just do them in sections and you achieve this goal. Okay, so that is all I have for you guys in this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, turn on post notification bell, subscribe guys, and I'm going to see you in my